play?
Well, I'll take it one at a time. With Somalia, of course, we should be our brothers' keepers. You know, one African nation should not be bleeding and we fold our arms. But again, we should not be doing that at the cost of Ugandans. You understand? While we should respect the need for them, while we should be there for our sister African countries when they need us, we should make sure it is not at the cost of our people. And many times it's done also for, you know, selfish ends. Talk about South Sudan and Central African Republic. Many times we are actually coming off as warmongers. We cause the conflicts or aggravate the conflicts in these countries, and then we cause the refugee influxes, which refugee influxes are also used to milk money. You've seen the refugee scandals that have happened in Uganda. So while we should help our sister countries, it should not be at the cost of our people. Now, coming to countries like Rwanda, we should have respect for their sovereignty. You know, it shouldn't be about the egos of our leaders. It shouldn't be about bulldozers that we should respect. We have international treaties that we are signatories to, and most importantly, we have the East African community. But again, like I told you, it should be about the people. We as East Africans, we are, you know, people that love each other, people that connect. There are certain things that should be. It should not be a president's club. It should be about with the people. As a young person, as a talent-oriented person, I want to believe that there are nicer things that can unite us. Sports, arts, you know, those things bring us together. While the leaders might be clashing, for us the people, we are together. For example, how many young men are in contact with Rwandi's women? I mean, told us that if you don't trust the referee, hit your opponent with a no.